So today we're working on another measure of center, and it is called the mean. We've worked on two other measures of center. One was the mode, one was the range. Today is our mean, which is also known as the average. So it's about in the middle. For example, sixth graders on average are about 60 inches tall. Some are taller, some are shorter. So it's an average amount. So there are certain steps that are needed to find the average or the mean. Well, you're going to add all the numbers in your data set. The next thing you have to do is divide this number, the one that was added all together, by the amount of numbers in that set. And then you're going to round to the nearest given place value. It might be the tenths. It might be the hundredths. Now remember, these are decimals, so that's usually when you're going to be rounding is with decimals. So here's an example of a data set. So we have 10, 5, 20, and 0. So the first thing we're going to do is, step 1, add. So I take 10 plus 5. I take 15 plus 20, and then I take 35 plus 0. Now, I could have done this mentally, but I want to demonstrate. So that was step 1. Now, step 2 is to take the number here, 35, and we're going to divide by the amount of numbers in the data set. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I divide by 4. Now I've got to do that hard work. And I have to remember how I annex zeros and such. I put my decimal place in because I know that 4 does not go into 35 evenly. It goes into it 8 times, and I have 3 left over. But I'm going to be working with decimals, so I'm going to put a 0 in. 4 goes into 37 times. And then I annex another 0, and 4 goes into 20 evenly 5 times. So my mean is 8 75/100. Well, just for kicks and giggles, let's do our mode. The mode is the number that occurs most often. Well, there is no other number that occurs more than once, so there is no mode. What about our range? Our range is when we take the maximum and subtract the minimum. So I take 20 minus 0, and our range is 20. So here are our 3 measures of center. We'll be learning our 4th tomorrow or the next day. Let's do it again with quiz scores. So the first step is to add up all these numbers. Give you a minute. Go ahead and figure that out. Pause if needed. When we add these all up, we end up with 46. And then we have to divide by the number in that data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 46 divided by 6. So I'm going to do that hard work. 7 times 6 is 42. Oop, decimal, annex. 6 goes into 40 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. Hey, it's a repeating decimal. I'm going to stop after this one because I'm going to do what it says for step 3. Round to the nearest given place value. Let's round to the tenths. So for me to do that, make sure you always bring that decimal in. I take 7 and 66 hundredths. I underline the place value to be rounded. I look to the right and I say 5 or more up this score, so it goes up 1 point. And we end up with a mean of 7 and 7/10. Let's look at the mode. What number occurs most frequently? Well, there's 2 10s. So that happens to be the mode for this set of data. And what is the range? Well, I take the greatest value and I subtract the least value. So I end up with 10 minus 4. So my range is 6.